Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today's video is going to be a very special video. This video is regarding personality development. We all want to improve ourselves, and for that we take various efforts so that we can improve our personality, so that we can bring desirable changes in our attitude. So regarding this, I am going to tell you 3 books which you should definitely read for having an improvement in your personality, for having a better attitude in your lives. And please watch this video till the end, because in the end I am going to tell you some basic techniques of how to read a book on personality development, so that you can have a best thing from the book. So let me start. First book is Ikigai. This book is written by Hector Garcia and Francis Miral. So this is a Penguin publication book, and as I said, it is a book on self-help or personality development. So friends, this book is a very helpful book in today's era, because we are living a very stressful life and a life which is distracted by social media. So this book tells us that how we need to adopt a healthy lifestyle and what things we should adopt in a life so that we can live a better life. So let me tell you the meaning of Ikigai. Ikigai means finding a purpose in our life. So how will it help? It will add meaning to our life. In this book, it says that all of us have a Ikigai which is hidden deep inside us, but we need to identify that. And as soon as we identify that, we will be able to add more value to our life. We will be able to make it more meaningful. So this book has various techniques, various concepts. For example, these are Japanese concepts. For example, Hara Hachibu, Wabi Sabi, or Ichie Ichigai. Ichie Ichigai means to live in the moment, because this is the only moment we have as of now, and this is not going to become coming in the future. So live it to your fullest. Second, it is given like concept of flow. So it says, a very beautiful quote is there, I want to quote here, that happiest people are not those who have everything, but these are those people who find flow in whatever work they undertake. Now here flow means that they become so engrossed or so immersed in their work that they start enjoying their work. So that is the flow. So these are some of the things given here, and experiences of several people who are 100 plus in their age in Japan, and how they have been able to live for that long, and that too happily. So I would say that you should definitely go for this book. Now this is the second book. This book names Lok Vyavhar, and this is written by Dale Carnegie. So this is actually Hindi translation of a book named How to Win Friends and Influence People. So all those people who are doing MBA or who are associated directly or indirectly with marketing, they must be knowing about Dale Carnegie, because he is a very famous personality in marketing and personality development. So this book has various techniques how we can influence others, how we can make them friends quickly and easily. And the best part is that you don't need to be manipulative or deceptive for that. So it's basically an instruction manual which deals with the day-to-day problems, and various solutions are given here with examples. Like there are innumerable examples you will find in this book. And these techniques have been utilized, have been used by successful people. For example, Bill Gates or George Bush or Bill Clinton or Abraham Lincoln, people like these. So you can understand the value of these techniques. So there are various techniques. Let me quote some. For example, if you want to influence others, then you need to be genuinely complimenting them. And if you want to get your things done, then you need to genuinely take interest in their work. You need to genuinely praise them for whatever they have done for you. And you don't need to be directly criticizing or complaining, but rather you should start by giving you example from your own life. Like for example, if some person has committed some mistake, then rather than directly telling him or her about the mistake, you should first quote example from your own life when you have committed such mistakes and how you have rectified them. So that way you will be able to connect more. That person will be able to connect more to you. So this is a very helpful book, and again a definite read. Now this is the third book, and its name is very interesting actually. So it's Men from Mars and Women from Venus. So this book is written by John Gray, and this book is very special for all of us because we all want to make good social relation with others, but when it comes to the opposite sex, then we get somewhat uncomfortable or less comfortable because we don't know what things we need to share, what things we need to talk with each other, how we can understand each other. So this book tells about that, and you all have observed that men have a different thinking and they have a different mindset in doing things, and women have different. For example, women loves to do shopping, they care for others, they genuinely care for others, whereas men have different taste. So these are the differences, and sometimes due to these differences, and when we don't understand these differences, these create conflicts. So how to resolve conflicts? So the name, let me tell you why the name is so. So according to this book, men are from Mars, so men used to live on Mars planet, whereas the women used to live on the Venus planet. Now they used to look at each other from their respective planets, and they started loving each other. So they decided to meet on a common planet, that is the planet Earth. So as soon as they entered on the Earth, somehow their memory got vanished, and they started expecting the same things from others also. So for example, if a man has certain taste, certain preferences, then he expects that woman also has those expectations, and similarly for the woman as well. So that how it creates conflicts. So that is how the name is so. So this book is very helpful for all of us. Okay, so these are the three books which I have told you. I have personally gone through each of them, and I have found them really very interesting. So these are a definite read for all those people who want to build good social relations, good intra-communication, personal skills, and a good social atmosphere around them. So now, as I told you in the beginning of the video, that in the end of video I will be telling you the techniques you need to adopt while reading a book on the personality development, so that you can get best out of the books. So number one thing is that whenever you read self-help books or books on personality development, take a pencil or a marker in your hand and underline whatever things you considered important. I have also underlined certain things. You can star mark them, you can underline them, or whatever way you want to adopt. Okay, so that whenever next time you go through this book, you only go through the important points. Second thing is that, see, you all must be knowing that we are product of our habits. So these things takes time. So if you want to change yourself, then these things will take time. So don't think that just by going through this book once you will change yourself. You need to go through them again and again. I am also going through them again and again. So that is the second thing. And third thing is that whenever you find something interesting or some point you want to implement in your life, for example, for having a healthy lifestyle, we should definitely go for exercising. So if you want to have exercise, then start by doing little bit of exercise. So you need to bring small changes in the initial. Don't try to bring things all the things at once. So that will not work for in a longer duration. So that is the third point I want to highlight here. And fourth important point and the last point is that, see, all those things which you have marked, which you have underlined, you can actually note them down in your book or in your notebook. Like I have done this. So I have made a summary of my own of different novels which I go through. Like this is Godan, this is Gunaho Ka Devta, this is another book, and this is a book on Ikigai. So this is a book on You Are the Best Wife, I made a video on this before, you can check it out. So you can make summary of these, so that now when next time you want to read that book, you don't need to go through the entire book again. You can just go through these pages. These are 3 or 4 pages and you will be done. So these are some important keynote points which you can adopt to have a better experience, to have a better reading experience. So friends, please tell us how did you like this video. Please share it with your friends, because this is one of very important video regarding our lives. And share it, subscribe our channel, comment and like the video. Thank you. Till then, take care and stay safe.